Looking for the best digital soldering station for your electronics projects in 2026? Whether you're repairing circuit boards, building custom keyboards, working on FPV drones, or tackling professional soldering jobs, having the right station can make all the difference. Today's top models offer faster heat up times, precise temperature control, excellent heat recovery, and user-friendly digital displays, making soldering easier and more reliable than ever. Recent reviews continue to highlight temperature stability and fast thermal recovery as the key features that separate great stations from average ones. In this video, we've researched and compared the top 5 best digital soldering stations of 2026 to help you find the perfect option for your needs and budget. We'll break down the features, performance, pros, cons, and overall value of each model so you can make an informed decision before buying. Be sure to watch until the end to see our top pick, and don't forget, product links and the latest pricing for all the soldering stations featured in this video can be found in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. FPV DWS 200. Upgrade your soldering experience with the FPV DWS 200 Smart Soldering Station, a professional-grade 200-watt soldering solution designed for precision, speed, and reliability. Powered by a built-in pure copper transformer with universal 100 to 240 volt input, the DWS 200 delivers ultra-fast 1-second heating and can melt solder in as little as 3 seconds, outperforming many standard 120-watt stations. Its vibrant 2.8-inch TFT HD display offers 3 viewing modes, including temperature curves for real-time monitoring, while 3 customizable preset temperature settings improve workflow efficiency. Featuring intelligent sleep and auto standby functions, the station helps extend tip life and reduce energy consumption. The included dual helping hands with 360-degree adjustable alligator clips provide stable support for precise soldering tasks. Equipped with both F210 precision and F245 high-power handles, plus 9 interchangeable soldering tips, the DWS 200 is ideal for everything from delicate SMD work to demanding high-power soldering applications, making it the perfect choice for electronics enthusiasts, repair technicians, and professional makers. Number 4. Sugon A9. Experience professional-grade soldering performance with the Sugon A9 245 Digital Soldering Station. Featuring a powerful 120-watt output and advanced PID temperature control, this station heats from standby to 760 degrees Fahrenheit, 380 degrees Celsius in just 3 seconds, delivering fast, stable, and precise temperature recovery for demanding soldering tasks. As shown in the video, the innovative C245 one-piece heating tips provide superior thermal efficiency and can be quickly replaced without pliers or additional tools. Designed for worldwide use, the station supports both 110-volt and 220-volt input voltages, making it ideal for technicians, engineers, and electronics enthusiasts. The ergonomic LCD display allows easy temperature adjustment and function settings, while the intelligent auto hibernation feature extends heating element life by automatically entering sleep mode when placed in the holder and instantly reheating when picked up. The package includes 3 versatile C245 soldering tips, I, IS, and K types, dual cleaning tools with a high-temperature sponge and brass wool cleaner, and 4 adjustable standby temperature settings to suit different applications. Backed by a 12-month warranty, the Sugon A9 delivers reliability, convenience, and exceptional soldering performance for repair, assembly, and precision electronics work. Number 3. Seertis Weaker 938 Green. Take your soldering projects to the next level with this professional digital soldering station kit designed for fast heating, precise temperature control, and maximum convenience. Featuring an easy-to-read LED temperature display, the station quickly reaches temperatures from 180 degrees 16 degrees to 356 degrees through 896 degrees 9060 and supports both GRI-N and GRI-FEF modes for flexible operation. The intelligent auto hibernate function extends tip life, saves energy, and enhances safety when the unit is idle. Built with advanced heat dissipation technology, 4 cooling vents, and an ergonomic anti-slip handle with silicone protection, it ensures comfortable and reliable performance during extended use. Perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals, this compact workstation is ideal for PCB soldering, electronics repair, mobile phone maintenance, DIY crafts, and household appliance repairs. The complete kit includes a soldering station, helping hands, solder wire dispenser, cleaning sponge, tip cleaner, 5 replacement tips, elbow tweezers, solder sucker, solder wire, screwdriver, and mini wrench. Everything you need to start soldering right away. Watch the included YouTube demonstration video to see its features, setup, and performance in action before you buy. 2. Yihua 926-3. Upgrade your soldering experience with the Yihua 926-3 digital soldering station, designed for precision, safety, and convenience. Featuring rapid heating technology and an adjustable temperature range from 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, 90 degrees to 480 degrees Celsius, this station maintains stable temperatures with advanced PID temperature control for consistent, professional quality results. Its compact, space-saving design includes an integrated iron holder, protective metal mesh, and built-in tip storage to keep your workspace organized and safe. Packed with smart features such as degree C degree, F conversion, adjustable sleep mode, digital temperature calibration, and an easy-to-read digital display, the 926-3 helps extend tip life while improving efficiency. This complete 12-in-1 kit comes with 6 soldering tips, helping hands, lead-free solder wire, solder sucker, ESD-safe tweezers, solder wire dispenser, and cleaning sponge. Everything you need for electronics repair, DIY projects, and professional soldering tasks. Watch our YouTube video to see the Yihua 926-3 in action, explore its features, and discover why makers, hobbyists, and technicians trust Yihua for reliable soldering performance. Backed by a 12-month U.S. exclusive technical coverage and 24/7 Amazon support, you can purchase with confidence. Number 1. Weller WE110NA. Upgrade your soldering experience with the Weller WE1 digital soldering station, engineered to deliver 40% more power than previous models for faster heat-up times and improved performance. Featuring a high-performance 70-watt soldering iron with a heat-resistant silicone cable, this station provides superior comfort, safety, and precision during extended use. Advanced temperature stability of -4 degrees Fahrenheit, -2 degrees Celsius, and a temperature lock function help protect sensitive components while ensuring consistent, repeatable soldering results every time. Designed with modern professionals and hobbyists in mind, the WE1 includes intuitive menu navigation, standby mode, auto setback for energy savings, and password protection to preserve your preferred settings. The complete kit includes the WE1 station, 120 volts, 70 soldering iron, WP70 tip retainer, PH70 safety rest with sponge, and an ETA 1.6mm screwdriver tip. Everything you need for reliable, high-quality soldering right out of the box. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best digital soldering stations of 2026. Whether you're a beginner working on DIY electronics projects or a professional looking for precise temperature control and reliable performance, there's a soldering station on this list that fits your needs. We hope this video helped you find the perfect option for your workshop. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. Also, be sure to check out the product links in the description below for the latest prices, deals, and more information on each soldering station featured in this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.